How's everybody doing? I took this picture offline on YouTube of a guy with two GoPro 8 batteries. Um, he's showing the difference between these batteries. The one on the left is looks like it's normal, but the one on the right looks like it's swollen. And that's basically the problem I have with my GoPro batteries is that they are swollen. And I just put this picture, just took this picture off the internet to just show you uh, the problem that he's having, and basically it's the same problem that I'm having with my batteries. So I want to reach out to GoPro and ask them, do they have a solution, or can we send these old batteries in and get new ones? What can be done about this? I'm not sure if we should take the batteries out of the cameras. Um, I don't know if we're charging the batteries too much or what's going on with these batteries. And before I buy some new batteries, I want to know, am I going to have this problem again? Because if that's the case, then I do not want to buy another set of batteries that's going to do the same thing. Here it shows he's opening up the battery and showing the inside of the battery, and that's definitely what's going on with my battery, is that the inside filament or whatever it is inside is swollen also, as you see. And that's a big problem whenever you're trying to pull this battery out of the camera. I have torn up my the tabs off the batteries trying to get it out. So GoPro, please uh, see what you can do about this problem with these batteries. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.